seen and cherished. And I believe all of his friends would agree how great, gentle, and sincere Kim is. Kim had a beautiful, unique way of making those around him feel special. He was not just a friend, he was a brother, an uncle, a son, whose love was boundless and unconditional. His heart was big as a smile. Kaya nga siguro hindi na kinain ng puso niya kasi ang laki ng pagmamahal niya sa mga taong importante sa kanya. And his voice, grabe, especially when he plays his guitar. I remember how we used to sing our hearts out with that never-ending song, Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang? Well, while we mourn the loss of a great friend, Kim, let us also celebrate the incredible impact Kim had in our hearts and lives. He showed us what it really means to live fully, to love deeply.
Laking pasalamat po kay Kim kasi tinuro na akong isang tunay na kaibigan, sobra yung tiwala namin sa isa't isa.
Buti kami ng gabi. Pagdating sa gabi, ang gagawin namin, kukwentuhan lang kami, nakahiga sa gitna ng court, nakatingin sa stars. For a couple of hours ka na. Wala, kung ano na naman pagkwentuhan namin. Yun. Dahil isa, buti kami ng gabi.
Gising lang kami, wala lang nakakatulog sa amin. Siyempre, pag medyo hindi na mainit at hapon na, magsisimula na ulit kami.
Magaling. Saka pag kumanta siya doon, akala mo isa na siya sa mga performer nung gabing yun. Talagang pinababalik pa siya ng mga tao.
You who are blessed by my Father, inherit the kingdom prepared for you. May the good Lord grant him a merciful judgment and look kindly upon him. Lord, help us to see death for what it really is,